live with Facebook. Got that out of the way. So I'm going to backtrack a little bit. Sorry. But again, this is Jason with JER Custom Designs. My channel on YouTube is going to start being more active. And the information that I put out on my Facebook is pretty much going to mimic what's on YouTube with my videos and tutorials and how-tos and all that stuff. All this stuff is going to be off the cuff. It's not going to be scripted. It's going to be all live unless for some reason I can't go live, whether I have an internet issue or something like that. But whatever I do will be posted and uploaded shortly thereafter. So some of my videos may run long. I understand that and I apologize. But I want to keep everything real. I want to be able to interact with people. I want to be able to communicate with others and address concerns, questions, and comments as they come about and not later. Now if you catch the video when it's not live, that's fine. I'll go back through and address any questions or concerns. And what I'm looking for basically is I'm looking for content to drive this page. I want it to be subscriber based. I don't want to just get on here and start talking and putting out a bunch of information, just random stuff. I want it to be pertinent to what you, the subscriber, or you, the viewer, needs or wants. Eventually I will just start coming out with random videos to address issues that I see or hear that aren't necessarily addressed or commented on this page or through YouTube or Facebook. So, but in a nutshell, what I do here at JER Custom Designs, if you're familiar with my page, my Facebook page, you kind of get an idea of everything that I do. I do CO2 laser engraving on wood, acrylic, metal, glass, acrylics, leather, all kinds of different stuff. I also do fiber laser on hardened steel items. There's not really a limit on that. I won't go into to what it is. I don't want to mention anything in particular and get banned or kicked off because I said something I shouldn't have. But I think you kind of get the gist of what I'm saying. Also, I do embroidery. I do vinyl graphics printed. I also do sublimation, custom apparel. Like I make all my own shirts, hats, things of that nature, sports uniforms, cheerleaders uniforms, all kinds of different stuff. Promotional items for your business, your company, get your branding out there. Also, I do 3D printing. I make quite a few tools for the laser community, for the Boss Laser community. If you want to check them out, you can check out the link above. It's not a click-on link; you'd have to type it in your search bar. But if you go there, you can see all the different things that I have available, things that I've made. Oh, excuse me. For the laser in general. And if you have any ideas or inputs on things you'd like to see, as far as what gets created, how it's made, we can do tutorials and walkthroughs of how to create specific designs and stuff with the software you have available to you. And most of the stuff is all freeware. But the main program that I use is Corel. I don't use AI. I don't like AI, mainly for what I do, because a lot of what I do deals with vector images, and AI is not very compatible with vector image files as far as for lasering and stuff. Man. So yeah, but the channel on YouTube and on Facebook page is probably going to be more geared towards the laser engraving part. One, and really the main reason for that is because there's not a lot of channels out there that allow you to interact with the the content creator or whoever's doing what they're doing. Whereas everything of mine, like I said, probably 99% of the time, everything of mine is going to be live. It's going to be real time when I'm doing a job or doing a project, and you're going to see it as I see it. You know, hopefully it doesn't get messed up, but it's real life. Things happen. So if it happens, I mean, you press on. You got to kind of anticipate things are going to happen. You can't be in this business or this hobby, however you look at it, and not expect things to go wrong. But like I said, I'm always learning. I love to help other people. I have a lot of resources to find information, get information, and give it to you guys either in a video or response to a chat post or something of that nature. I'm not looking to be anything other than that. You know, I'm not trying to be the next, YouTube star or anything like that. I'm just looking to give back to the community that helped me get where I'm at. That's what basically boils down to. And at this point in my business, I have that luxury, or I have that ability to do so. So I want to take advantage of it while I can. So please help make this channel, my Facebook page, everything more enjoyable and more